This is the tip, tax, and discount homework. Take a look at number 1. It says the price of a motorbike is $1,500. How much do you need to pay if there's a 10% discount? So to do that, you're just going to set up a proportion. Remember, percent is out of 100, so 10 out of 100. We're going to take 10% of the total price, which is $1,500. We're going to put our x up here, and you're going to cross multiply. You get 100x, multiply this way, and you get 15,000. Then you're going to solve for x on both sides. If you're not sure, type that in, 1,000. So 15,000 divided by 100 would be $150 for the discount. So that's just what we need to subtract from the original price. So it says, how much do you need to pay if there's a 10% discount? So you still have to take the original price and subtract the $150. It's not just $150. So 1,500 minus $150 would be $1,350 for the motorbike. Okay, so now what they want you to do is take that price, but you need to add on an 8% sales tax. So how much will the motorbike cost after the discount? So here's after the discount, and then with tax. So remember, when you have a discount, we subtract it, but when you have tax, you have to add that on to the price. So we're going to find 8%, so you're going to do 8 out of 100, and the price that we're going to use is the 1,350, and your x goes on top. So I'm going to leave that one for you guys to figure out. You're going to cross multiply there. Remember, once you get a value for x, you're going to add that on to the price of the motorbike to get a total. All right, take a look at number 2. The price of apples is $1.25 per pound. If you buy 2.5 pounds and then you get a 20% discount, how much will you be paying? So there's 2 different steps to this one too. The first thing we've got to figure out is, okay, it's $1.25 per pound. I'm going to buy 2.5 pounds. So we can either multiply by 2.5. So when you do that, you get $1.25 times 2.5 pounds. So remember, we're talking about money, so we're going to have to round to the hundredths. So that 5 is going to make it $3.13. All right, so that's how much we're paying. Now we're going to take 20% of that. So down here we want a 20% off of $3.13. Okay, so you guys are going to cross multiply, and then you're going to get a discount. So we want to know, though, how much are we going to pay for those apples, not just what the discount is. So once you get a discount, you're going to have to take the price of $3.13, and then you're going to have to subtract the discount that you get. All right, take a look at number 3. The price of a math book is $50, but you only have $35 with you. If you get a discount of 20%, how much more money do you need to buy the book? So first thing we need to do is get a 20% off of $50. So remember, you're going to set that up. We want 20% off of $50. So you're going to cross multiply to figure that out. That's going to tell you the discount. So you're going to have to take the $50 book and subtract your discount from it. Okay, then you'll be able to see what the sale price is, and you only have $35. So you're going to have to figure out how much more you owe. That'll be the second part to this. All right, take a look at number 4. Peter has $100. The price of a watch is $60. If Peter gets a 25% discount, can he buy 2 of the watches? Well, let's find out the price of one. So if one is 25% off, we're going to do 25% of $60. So we would get, type that into your calculator, 60 times 25, and then we're going to divide by 100. So our discount would be $15. So if it's a $60 watch and we take off $15, that means each watch is $45. So can he buy 2? Well, one is $45, another one is $45. So you're going to need to add those together and figure out, is $100 enough to buy 2 watches that are on sale for 25% off? All right, flip it to the back. Number 5 says, Vicki made some purchases at the Sunflower Market. She bought strawberries for $3.50, carrots for $2.25, and a bouquet of flowers for $9.95. If the sales tax is 5%, what's her total price going to be? So the very first thing you knew, we've got to do 2 things here. We need to get a total for strawberries, carrots, and the bouquet of flowers. So that's your first step to get a total. Then we've got to find 5% of that total. Okay, so you're going to get a price here, and you're going to need to put that in for your total. Okay, so remember, because it's tax, you're going to add that on at the end. So once you get a tax here, you're going to have to add that on to your total. All right, number 6. Your parents took you out to a family dinner. They want to leave a 15% tip for the waiter. If the bill's $42, what should your tip be? So this is just one step. You're finding 15% of your total bill, which is $42. So you're looking for this part. What is 15% of that? And I'll let you guys cross multiply to figure that out. Skip to number 7. It says the price of a new cell phone is $200 in shop A and $240 in shop B. If you get a 15% discount at shop B, where should you buy the phone? Well, shop A, there's no discount, and it's $200 there. But shop B, we do get a discount. So we would need to figure out, is 15% off of $240, is that going to be less than $200? So once you cross multiply, you're going to get a value. That's going to be your discount that you're going to need to subtract from $240. Okay, so get a discount and then subtract it from $240. And then you're going to have to say, is it cheaper at shop A, or after the discount, is it cheaper at shop B? All right, last part, number 8. Macy's is having a one-day 35% off special. Sarah bought $124.50 worth of new clothes. What would the 35% off discount be? So 35%, we put our 35 out of 100. The total for all of our new clothes is $124.50. We need to figure out what that discount is. So that's the first step, is just finding the discount. Okay, then we have to add on 8% sales tax to the total. Okay, so once you get a discount, you're going to need to subtract it from the $124 right here. So that'll be your discounted price. And then you're going to have to find 8% sales tax of that value. Okay, so your answer will go down here, and you'll have to find 8% of that. And then they want to know what's the total after the discount and the tax. So once you get your tax, you'll have to add that back on. All right, hopefully that helps.